Hello everyone, welcome to Trav Shots and I am your host Nishant Krishna. Amidst the ever increasing deadly coronavirus cases so far, at least 10 to 11 countries have taken precautionary steps and have issued advisories against traveling to or from India. Countries that have announced restrictions include Canada, the UAE, Singapore, Australia, New Zealand, Oman, Hong Kong, France, the US, and the United Kingdom. In this video, I am going to provide you all the details about international travel and what is in store for the next few weeks. So watch the video till the end and do provide your feedback or questions in the comment section. Now let's get into the show. Since the global spread of the COVID-19 did not permit a quick return to normal scheduled services, India had entered into air bubble arrangements with multiple countries. The bubble allows any two countries to restart commercial flights in a limited way. India had air travel bubble with 27 countries including US, UK, Germany, France and several countries in Asia. Most of these countries have cited the rising number of coronavirus cases in India as the reason behind their decision. Some like the UK and Hong Kong have even expressed concern at the risk of importing the mutant variant of coronavirus from India behind restricting their borders. If you have already booked ticket to any of these countries, don't panic. Most of the airlines in an advisory said passengers who have booked the flight with us during this period will be able to reschedule their tickets once the restrictions are lifted. Currently, the UAE travel restrictions are in place for 10 days, following which there will be a review. Well, given that the restrictions have been imposed on outbound travel from India, there is no binding prohibition on traveling to India except for the USA and Israel. It is expected that most of the airlines will continue to operate flights from these countries to India. A quick round of update on some of the important countries. The US Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC) advised Americans to avoid all travel to India even if they are vaccinated. CDC placed India among level 4 countries or those with very high levels of COVID-19 cases. Because of the current situation in India, even fully vaccinated travelers may be at risk for getting and spreading COVID-19 variants and should avoid all travel to India, CDC said. United Kingdom also recently added India to its red list of countries. Therefore, as per the rule, Indian citizens will not be allowed to enter the United Kingdom as of now, whereas British citizens will be required to undergo quarantine in a hotel for 10 days. Singapore recently announced that those travelling from India will now be required to serve the usual mandatory 14 days quarantine at a dedicated facility, as well as an additional 7 days stay at home notice. This step has also been taken to contain the steep rise of virus infections in the country. These are some of the important updates that you should know for the next few days as things are going to be very dynamic. I hope it was informative. If you have any feedback, thoughts or additional information, please do let us know in the comment section and do follow our Instagram and Facebook page for regular updates. If you like this video, please do share this with your friends and relatives and also do subscribe to my channel in case you still haven't. There are a lot more informative videos coming up. Till the next edition, signing off, Nishant.